I'm really sorry to say, but I mean, mostly people in this world right now, they are playing with each other. They play with each other feelings. They don't respect. They don't love. They are creating a lot of distance. I'm really sorry to say, but that's reality, you know. Right now, we need to change the things if we want better future. If we want things better for us, if we want a good world, so we need to love each other. We need to respect everyone. We need to care each other. We need to remove all the differences between us. We need to get together, work together, and work for each other as well. If we want to, if we need a betterment in this world, I can change myself. That's the first stage. If I want to change other, that's not gonna happen, because first I need to change myself. I'm gonna see myself, what are the things that I need to change and what are the things that I need to work on. If I'm lying, if I'm cheating, if I'm playing with people feelings, if I'm creating a lot of ignorance and negativity, so how can I change other somebody? First me, I want to change myself, then others. I'm really sorry to say, mostly people are playing with each other, and we need some good future, okay? If we want better future, if we want things better for us, we need to change, we need to work for different things. This COVID-19 teach a lot of good things, and good things are, once somebody stay at home for a couple of months, you feel everybody takes stress and tired and bored. You go abroad, you go different places because of people. You want to see different culture are just because of people. If people not are not here, what you gonna do? You, if you walk in the alone streets, nothing is gonna happen. You feel like, oh my god, where I am. If you need better life, if you need better future, if you need things goes best for yourself, best for the people, start loving people, respecting people, caring people. You are not allowed to play with anybody feelings. You are not allowed. Who give you permission to play with people feelings? You are itself nothing. I'm itself nothing. I'm nothing. Maybe anybody gonna die one day, and then finish. Everything is done and dusted. Everything is done and dusted. Everybody is gonna die. So you need to work on, you need to realize, maybe today you are here, maybe tomorrow you are not. I hope you understand. If you still don't understand, watch this video again and again. Life is the name of hard work, life is the name of challenges, life is the name of many things. Never give up. In never give up, you also need to respect people as well. You need to learn respect people. If you don't, then nothing is gonna happen. If your mind is not positive, nothing is gonna happen again. If your mind is positive, if your mind is positive, everything is positive, everything works for you. But if your mind is negative, nothing is gonna work for you. Be positive, everything is gonna be work. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.